Hey there, book lovers. Today we're diving deep into Amazon's Kindle Paperwhite 12th generation, the e-reader that's revolutionizing how we experience books. Let's unpack everything you need to know about this incredible device. The first thing you'll notice about the latest Paperwhite is its stunning 6.8-inch glare-free display. But there's so much more beneath the surface, so let's break this down feature by feature. The display is a game changer. 300 ppi resolution for crystal clear text, 20% faster page turns than the previous generation, glare-free screen that truly looks like real paper, adjustable warm light for comfortable reading day or night. Watch this. I'm taking the Kindle outside in bright sunlight. Notice how there's absolutely no glare? This is what sets the Paperwhite apart from tablets and phones. Nighttime reading demo. For all you night readers out there, the warm light feature is a blessing. You can adjust the screen temperature from cool to warm, making those late night reading sessions easier on your eyes. Trust me, your sleep schedule will thank you. Durability design. Let's talk about build quality. Waterproof design, IPX8 rated, surviving up to 60 minutes in fresh water. Slim, modern design. Comfortable to hold for hours. Battery demonstration. Here's something incredible, the battery life. We're talking up to 10 weeks of reading time on a single charge, and when you do need to charge, the USB-C port gets you back to full power in just 2.5 hours. Storage options are generous. 8 GB or 16 GB models available. Holds thousands of books. Audible audiobook support. Bluetooth connectivity for your wireless headphones. The user experience is fantastic. Adjustable text size and fonts. Built-in dictionary. X-ray feature for deep diving into books. Goodreads integration. WhisperSync across devices. I've been using this Kindle for several months now, and here's what impressed me most. The screen truly feels like reading paper. Zero eye strain, even after hours of reading. The battery life is as good as advertised. The interface is intuitive and responsive. When you consider the features and the massive Kindle ecosystem, the price point offers excellent value. Plus, think about the space you'll save compared to physical books. Here's a bonus. If you're environmentally conscious, switching to a Kindle can significantly reduce your carbon footprint from reading. One device instead of hundreds of paper books. Ready to transform your reading experience? I've placed my affiliate link in the description below, where you can find the best price on the Kindle Paperwhite. Trust me, as someone who reads daily, this device is worth every penny. Whether you're a casual reader or a bookworm, the Kindle Paperwhite 12th Gen delivers an unmatched reading experience. It's not just an e-reader. It's your personal library that fits in your pocket. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with more tech reviews. Drop a comment below with your favorite book. I'd love to hear what you're reading.